welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add animated text to your Instagram stories in 2021. Now, this is very easy to do just by using the Instagram story feature. So first things first, you guys want to head over to your Instagram accounts and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you just want to go to your main portion here where you're able to create a story. Once you're on there, you want to go ahead and create a new story. So I'm just going to create one really quickly here. And then you just want to take a picture or create a video. So I'm just going to take a picture of my laptop right here. Once this is done, you guys want to go to the top right corner where you see the little text icon, which is the top right. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then you just have to type something here that you would want. So I'm just going to put test, just like this. You could then choose your font on the bottom here if you want to change the type of font that you have. So you just click on one that you'd like. So let's just say if I want to do this one, I can just leave it as this. And then what you want to do is you want to choose the option all the way to the right on the top. That will create the animation effect on this text. So if we just click on the one all the way to the right, you will then see it will then start to create an animation here. So if we click on done, you guys can then see it then creates a little bit of an animation here. If you guys want to change it, you guys can click on the text again and then click on the other option here. So we can click on the text, go to the other option here, and then as you guys see, it then changes it up a little bit, which is kind of cool. You could also change the text as well on the bottom, and it will do different kind of animation effect. So let's check this one out. As you guys see, it then makes it a little bit of an animation effect, a little bit different as well, which is pretty cool. Anyways, once you guys are done doing this, you guys can just go ahead and post it to your story, and then this animation will then play along with your story. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on your iPhones, on Instagram. This does actually work on Android and iPhones the same way. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If this video does help, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.